If you want to make thousands of dollars publishing storybooks for kids on Amazon KDP in 2025, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to do it, step by step. Welcome to the Audiobook Studio, where we don't talk theory. We show real, actionable strategies that actually work. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I share everything from low-content books to full storybook strategies that generate real income. Now, storybooks might sound like a niche for fun or passion projects, but let me show you why they're actually one of the most profitable book categories on Amazon right now. I'm talking books that are pulling in $85 a day, $358 a day, even over $10,000 a month. And here's the best part. These books don't require you to be a writer or an illustrator. With the power of AI and a few smart tools, you can create your own high-quality storybooks fast, either by doing it yourself or outsourcing the whole thing affordably. In this video, we'll cover everything, from finding winning book ideas, writing stories with AI, creating stunning images, outsourcing if you want to, and finally, marketing your book for maximum sales. Let's jump right into it. Before you start writing anything, choosing the right niche for your children's storybook is absolutely crucial. This decision can literally make or break your book's success on Amazon. Kids' books come in all forms, but the ones that sell consistently usually focus on one powerful theme. Some examples: you've got motivational and confidence-building stories, bedtime tales that calm the mind, adventurous STEM stories that sneak in learning, and heartwarming tales about friendship and courage. The trick is to pick a clear emotional or educational goal that resonates with both kids and parents. To find a winning niche, go on Amazon and search for Kids Storybook. Look at the top sellers. What themes do they follow? Are they targeting a specific age group like 4 to 6 or 7 to 9? Use a tool like BookBeam to check estimated sales, page count, and demand. Look for consistent trends across books that rank well. Also, consider the tone of your book. Do you want it to be silly and funny, or deep, moral, and inspirational? Once you combine tone, topic, and age range, you've got a strong niche. Choosing the right niche sets the foundation for your entire book and gives you a massive edge when it's time to publish and promote. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to write the stories. And here's the good news: you don't have to be a professional author to do it. AI tools like ChatGPT make this part easier than ever. All you need is a solid prompt. For example, let's say your storybook theme is about courage. You could tell ChatGPT, write a 1,500-word children's story about a shy kid who finds the courage to stand up for a friend. The story should be heartwarming, age-appropriate for 6 to 8-year-olds, and include a clear moral. With just that, ChatGPT can generate a beautiful story. But don't just copy and paste. Make sure you read through it, tweak it, and personalize the tone to match your style. Add a unique touch or expand parts where you think more emotion or detail is needed. Repeat this process until you've written 10 unique stories, each around 1,400 to 1,500 words. This gives you the full content for your book. Writing with AI isn't cheating. It's a modern tool. Just like a typewriter once revolutionized publishing, AI is helping authors work faster and smarter. Next, let's talk about designing visuals, because kids' storybooks aren't just about words. When it comes to children's storybooks, visuals are everything. They don't just complement the story, they bring it to life. But here's the exciting part. You don't need to be an artist or hire expensive illustrators. AI art tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI can create stunning images that look professionally drawn. Here's how it works. Once you have a story written, identify the key scene from each chapter. Let's say your first story is about a boy and his puppy exploring the forest. You can upload a reference image or describe the scene in detail. Then prompt Midjourney like this. An illustration of a young boy with curly hair and a playful golden retriever walking through a magical forest. Vibrant colors, watercolor style, children's book illustration. With that prompt, the AI generates beautiful artwork. You can repeat this for every chapter, making sure the style remains consistent throughout the book. If you want even more control, use platforms like Canva or Photoshop to fine-tune the images and add text overlays. In just a few hours, you can create all your visuals, which normally would take days or weeks. And with the right visuals, your storybook will instantly feel premium and professional. Next, let's bring everything together and actually publish it on Amazon KDP. First, go to kdp.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, create it. It's free. Once logged in, click Create a Kindle ebook. Even though it's a storybook for kids, Kindle ebook is the format we start with. You can always create a paperback version later. Enter your book title and subtitle. For example, Brave Hearts, Inspiring Stories for Kids. Add your author name. This can be your real name or a pen name, like the audiobook studio. Next, write a compelling book description. Make it simple, exciting, and focused on the benefits. 10 heartwarming tales that build courage, confidence, and kindness in kids ages 6 to 10. Then choose your keywords. These are what help people find your book. Think like a parent. Children's bedtime stories. Inspiring stories for boys and girls. Books that teach values. Select your book's category. Juvenile fiction is the most appropriate, with subcategories like short stories or values and virtues. Now upload your manuscript and the cover. KDP accepts PDF for interiors and JPG for the cover. Set your price. For storybooks, $9.99 is a good sweet spot. Now click Publish. Within 72 hours, your book will be live on Amazon. Next up, how to promote your book so it starts getting sales. Publishing is just step one. Now let's talk about how to actually get sales. Step 1. Use Amazon ads. This is the fastest way to get visibility. Inside your KDP dashboard, click on Promote and Advertise next to your book. Choose Sponsored Product and set a daily budget. Start small, maybe $5 to $10 a day. Then target keywords like motivational books for kids or children's storybooks with life lessons. Amazon will show your book to people searching for those terms. Step 2. Build early reviews. Reviews are critical. Without them, your book will struggle to convert browsers into buyers. Ask friends and family to buy and review your book honestly. You can also give away copies to parenting groups or kid-lit communities on Facebook. Remember, never pay for fake reviews. Amazon's bots are smart, and it's not worth the risk. Step 3. Promote on TikTok and Instagram Reels. This is where the goldmine is in 2025. Kids' book content does really well because it's visual and emotional. One viral post can generate thousands of sales. Step 4. Tap into niche communities. Reddit, Facebook, Pinterest. There are groups everywhere where parents are searching for quality children's books. Join conversations and share your journey, not just your link. When people know there's a real person behind the brand, they're more likely to support you. Creating your first book is a huge win, but now it's time to think long-term. How do you turn one successful story into a real business? Step 1. Create a series. Take the concept from your first book and expand it into a full series. For example, if your first book was about inspiring stories for confident kids, the next could be stories about friendship or tales of courage for little dreamers. Kids and parents love series because they build trust and keep readers coming back. Step 2. Build a recognizable brand. This is where the audiobook studio shines. Develop a signature look for your covers, keep the tone consistent, and create a unique author name or publishing brand. This makes it easier for customers to find your books and recognize them instantly. Step 3. Diversify formats. Once you have a few books, offer them in multiple formats: paperback, hardcover, and audiobooks. Audiobooks especially are rising fast in popularity, and they're perfect for parents on the go. Step 4. License and expand. Once your brand has traction, explore licensing deals, school partnerships, or even foreign translations. These options open the door to passive income streams and international markets. Your single storybook can become a publishing empire if you treat it like a brand from day one. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to start creating and selling children's storybooks on Amazon KDP in 2025. From spotting bestsellers and generating powerful story ideas with AI to outsourcing the work and building a brand that actually scales. This process works, and it's never been more accessible. Whether you're writing your first story or scaling to your 5th series, remember, what separates successful publishers from everyone else is consistency. Stick to the process, keep improving your books, and don't be afraid to reinvest into your brand. At the Audiobook Studio, We believe in empowering creators like you to take control of your publishing journey and build real income streams. So if this video helped clarify your path, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides on publishing, storytelling, and marketing. And drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway or question. We read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.